Yes. Find a set of numbers which contains integers only. This is very simple. This is very simple. Pay attention. Pay attention. Yeah, pay attention. Look, this question here is asking us to find a set of numbers which they all belong to integers. A set of numbers which are integers. First and foremost, remember the definition of integer. What is an integer? An integer is a whole number that is positive, can be positive, negative, or zero. Positive, negative, or zero. Let's go slowly. An integer cannot be, one, a fraction. Cannot be a fraction. And if we are given a fraction and the end of that fraction, the end result of that fraction gives us a whole number, then that is considered as an integer. For example, 4 over 4. This is 4 over 4 is 1. So this is an integer. Yeah. Another one is if we are given, for example, 4 squared. If the end of the result gives us a whole number, that is an integer. So this gives us 16. So it is an integer. Yeah. Yes. Let's continue. An integer cannot be decimals. Cannot be decimals. An integer cannot be, number 3, it cannot be percentage or sums. If you express a number in sums and it gives a whole number, then that is an integer. If it does not, it is not an integer. So mark this one. An integer is a whole number. It can be positive, negative, or 0. 0 is the only integer which does not have sign. Again, let us talk about positive integers. Positive integers are like positive 2, 3, 100, and so on. They can have the sign, this sign here, or can be without it, and it still remains an integer. Amen? Yeah. Let's come here. Find a set of numbers which contains integers only. Let's start with the first one. Let us analyze these numbers and see which set contains integers. Have you understood this? Let's come back here. So is this an integer? Yeah, this is an integer. It is positive integer. What about this one? 2.65? No. This is not because of decimal. Negative 2.5? Yeah, no. Because of decimal. Yes, you're correct. 17? Positive. So it's a whole number. So it's an integer. 12 points. This is not because of decimal. 0. 0, we have said it is an integer. So put a tick there. And this is an integer because it gives us negative 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. So it is an integer. So this is not. Let's come here. 0. This is negative 3. It is an integer. It's a whole number. This is also a whole number. This is no, it's a fraction. And this is positive. So it's a whole number and it's It is an integer. Then we come here. 0 is an integer. 10 is a positive integer. It is our number. Then negative 11, yeah, it's our number. Negative 6, yes, our number. Therefore, our answer becomes C. Very simple.